Hello guys, how are you? How are your quarantine days going? Well, I'm out of resource, but somehow I managed to get few things. So here is my first quarantine project. It is an IoT notice board. We can write text, we can change text position, we can change text font remotely through an app. You know that app. Its name is Blink app. So without wasting any time, let's start our project.
So before we start, we need to know what we need to make this project. So firstly we need a nodemcu, one OLED display. Here I'm showing two type of display. You can use any size and some female to female jumper wire to connect OLED display with our nodemcu. And yeah, most important, use hand sanitizer and gloves. Stay at home, stay safe. This is the most important thing you can do in this present time to save your country. And here is our circuit diagram. Don't worry, I will give the link of this circuit diagram and the code.
We start. Well, it's not looking so good because I'm not having that much resources. So when I power on nodemcu, it will show connecting for some time. Let me focus, and then you can see that it's now showing it's connected. Now I will open this Blink app. Now here you can see that we have an interface. From this I can input a text. For example, I say hello, HELLO, and when I press the enter, at the same moment you can see that hello on the screen. Here it is. Let me try to focus. Yeah, you can see that. Now this is a button. When I press it, you can see that now our text is in bold. So this button is here, can be used for making that text bold. And here we are two sliders to change the position. Like if I slide, wait a second, you can see that we can change the position of our text with these sliders. So basically this is my project. Thank you for watching.